Subscribe to AkhilanTech YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell icon for the latest tech updates.
Like electricity.
Hey, what's up guys, it's Akhilan from AkhilanTech. Today I am going to give you a detailed review of this latest Realme 7 mobile phone. I have done already the unboxing video and even the gaming review of this Realme 7 mobile phone. Now let's do the full review of this latest Realme 7 mobile phone and let's see if this is worth that price, because this mobile phone is priced under 15,000 rupees, and if your budget is around 15,000 rupees and if you are looking to buy a new smartphone, I think this might be the worth mobile phone to you. So watch the video till the end because I am going to give you the detailed information about this Realme 7 mobile phone. So let's get started. So first of all, let us look at the display of this Realme 7 mobile phone. This mobile phone has the 6.5 inch Full HD Plus display with the 480 nits brightness rate, and as you know, this mobile phone has the 90Hz screen refresh rate also. And this mobile phone is protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 3 Plus. But other mobile phones like the Redmi mobile phones in this budget is protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 5. That is one of the con I did not like in this mobile phone. At least they should have given the Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. And this mobile phone comes with the pre-applied screen protector. There's no need to run around the shops and buy the screen protector. And also, this mobile phone has the massive 5000 mAh battery. But with that heavy battery also, we find that the weight of the mobile phone is not that much heavy. The weight of this mobile phone is approximately around 196.5 grams. So it is not that much heavy when compared to the other mobile phones with the 5000 mAh battery. And this mobile phone has the side fingerprint scanner. You can see it unlocks very quickly. And also, this mobile phone does not have the notification LED light. And if when you're charging your mobile phone, the light does not blink because there is no LED light. Always you have to open your mobile phone and check if your notifications are there on your screen. This mobile phone is also not protected by the IP ratings. No IP ratings are there for this mobile phone, and this mobile phone does not have the splash resistant or the water resistant kind of thing also. So you have to be careful when you're handling this mobile phone in water or in the sandy areas. Realme 7 mobile phone also has the dedicated SD card slot, and you can expand up to 256GB variant. The base variant is around 64GB and you can expand up to 256GB variant using the memory cards because it has that capability of expanding. I did not find any issues in the call quality or the network reception, but there is no secondary noise cancellation mic in this mobile phone. So when you're talking your mobile phone in a crowded place, then the other person might get some disturbance due to the crowded place around you. So that is one of the disadvantage. This mobile phone does not have the secondary noise cancellation mic. But the audio quality of the speakers are very loud. When you're playing games or when you're watching the movies, the maximum volume you can keep up to 80%. 80% is very sufficient. There's no need to keep 100%. At the 80% volume level also, the audio quality is great in this Realme 7 mobile phone. So let's get into the camera side of this Realme 7 mobile phone. Rear, it has a quad camera setup. The primary camera is a 64 megapixel Sony IMX682 sensor, and front we are having around 16 megapixel camera. And this mobile phone supports slow motion, 4K at 30 fps and also 1080p at 60 fps. So the camera quality is also very great in this mobile phone. You can see on the screen the camera samples of this mobile phone in different conditions.
This is the front camera normal shot. This is the front camera portrait shot. This is the back camera normal shot. This is the rear camera portrait shot. This is the macro shot. This is the normal shot in the night conditions. This is the normal portrait shot. This is the ultra wide shot. This is the night mode shot. This is the video sample in the night condition using the rear camera. You can judge the video quality.
Hey guys, I'm recording this video with the front camera of the Realme 7 mobile phone. You can judge the audio quality also because it is recorded via internal microphone, and you can even judge the video quality and tell me your opinions in the comment box below. The main thing now the present generation is thinking about is gaming. So if your gaming experience should be great, you should have the better processor in your mobile phone. So Realme 7 mobile phone has the MediaTek Helio G95 processor. This is the first mobile to have this chipset. So this is a very powerful processor. This is an upgraded version of the MediaTek Helio G90 processor, which we can find in the Realme 6 mobile phone. In this Realme UI, I did not find any lags, any bugs. The Realme UI is very smooth, and when you are using it, you will not find any lags. The UI is also not a major issue in this Realme 7 mobile phone because we are not getting those many ads as we see in the Redmi mobile phone. So in that perspective, Realme has done a good job. For the heating issues, this mobile phone has the carbon fiber cooling system, which we cannot find in the Redmi mobile phones in this budget category. So that is one of the advantages, because what I found is that you can check it out in the gaming review. I have already done that. When you are playing mobile phones and when your temperature is reached around 40 to 43 degrees Celsius, then when you keep your mobile phone aside for around 2 to 3 minutes, then the temperature is decreasing very fastly. So you will not find that much heating in this mobile phone because it cools very fastly. And if you want to know more about the gaming review and the heating issues, I recommend you to watch my gaming review, which will be linked in the cards. Now let's get into the battery side. This mobile phone has the massive 5000 mAh battery, and a normal user, like if you're just browsing the internet and watching some YouTube videos and just calling your friends, calling your employees, then in that perspective, a normal user can get up to 2 days. But a heavy user, like playing games and doing some video editing, photo editing in your mobile phone, especially in this Realme 7 mobile phone, these heavy users will get the battery life up to 1 day. Yes, at least you will get for 1 day. And also one of the important things this mobile phone has is that 30-watt fast charging support. You can see on the screen from 0% to 100%, this mobile phone charges only in 65 minutes. Yeah, that's approximately 1 hour 5 minutes. So in 1 hour 5 minutes only, your mobile phone charges from 0% to 100%. So this is also one of the advantages in this Realme 7 mobile phone, because we are having the massive 5000 mAh battery. So to charge that much heavy battery, we need a fast charger. Okay, finally, should you buy this Realme mobile phone? Yes, if your budget is under 15,000 rupees and you're looking to buy an all-rounder mobile phone, then this Realme 7 mobile phone is best for you under 15,000 rupees. As I told you, this is the base variant. There's a 6GB RAM, 64GB variant is priced around 15,000 rupees. So if you're looking to buy the base variant, then it is okay. But if you're looking to buy the higher variant, like 8GB RAM, 128GB variant, which is priced on 17,000 rupees, then don't buy that mobile phone, because in that price we're also getting the Poco X3 mobile phone, which is way more better than this Realme 7 mobile phone. But if your budget is slightly under 15,000 rupees, then I definitely recommend this Realme 7 mobile phone. And that's all from this video. If you find this video informative, drop us a like down below and share this video. If you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon so that you will be reminded every time I post a new video in my YouTube channel. And also, don't forget to watch this video out there, because it will be way more interesting. And that's it for me today, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.